Coats 9100 coming at you. It's good old Thursday, April 18th, 2024. It is 11:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What do we have on the countertop tonight? Could it be bolt extractors, spline extractors, stud removal tool? It could be. Have we here? What have we here? That right there is the Pittsburgh. Pull one of these off. That right there is the Pittsburgh extractor, bolt extractor sockets. You find these at Harbor Freight Tool. Very, very handy when you need them, I can tell you. This has got more like a sawtooth. I'm going to show you some other ones in a minute. But these ones are made in Taiwan. Let's see here. It's probably not going to focus, but they do say made in Taiwan. And they're $35 a set. It doesn't count these rails. I had to buy these separate. But each one of these sets is $35. And like I say, when you're trying to get a bolt out, for instance, I'll put you guys up here. And you got a bolt like this, good old bolt like that, and the head is all rounded off. And you go to put a 9/16 socket on it, and all it does is turn because it's messed up. The whole head's messed up. So you grab one of these guys. This ain't the right size, but you just take a little hammer and tap it on there, and what it does, it digs into the bolt. This is not the right size, but this is for instance. It'll dig right into the bolt, and then you'll be able to take it out. I got both sets, the metric and the standard SAE standard size. So I got both of them. This one here is the metric size. The rails were $7 a piece, right? Yeah, I think I paid $7 a piece for the rails. $35 just for each one. So that's right there. Just for the socket, just for these ones here, was over $70, and that doesn't count the rails. The rails were $7 a piece. Also, I got these ones here. This little set here I got from O'Reilly's. It's got the same type of tooth, like the sawtooth, but it's deep. These ones are deep. So if you're going down like on a, for instance, like on a stud, and there's a nut down there, and you're trying to get it off, something like this, you can go all the way down, and then grab it. Like if there was a nut way down here, like this, way down here, and you couldn't get it. With the other ones, you couldn't get your 3/8 ratchet on it because it would hit. So like this one's a lot longer. Look how much longer. See, these are a lot longer. These are the deep. These ones here are the deep ones, deep extractor. But they both got the same type of. You can see here. So I'm really happy to get these. I've had all these about 4 months now. I bought all this stuff new, my own money. So this little set here was $40, $39.99. Thank God I got it, because I'm going to need it on this old Ford. Also, I got some stuff from Carlisle, which is from Napa's. Here's a nice little set from Napa's right there. And he's got the other type. These got the ones that really dig in. These are more of a sharp edge. They got like a really sharp edge. What you do is you put it on there, tap it with a hammer, and it's the same thing to get a bolt off that the head is messed up. Same type of thing, but the ends are different. They're different type. These are really nice. I think I paid $103 for this. This is by Carlisle, Napa Auto Parts. Really good quality. These are really good quality. Carlisle makes great stuff. I got this one. This is like $103. I got some bigger ones here. This is 1/2-inch drive. These are some big ones. This is 1 inch. This one here is 1 inch. Now that sucker. Carlisle. That's some big ones there. That one here is 1 inch. This one here is a 3/4. 3/4. There's a 7/8. Some big old bolts. Get out with these. These are some good ones. What did I pay for this? Was it $40, $50, something like that? Then I got this from Napa's. This here's a stud extractor. So what you do, like say this one here, for instance, 3/8 stud. What it does, you can extract studs with it. What you can do, say this was a stud, which is not, it's a bolt. But say the threads were as a stud, and you got threads like this, you got threads like this, and you got threads like this on the other side, and you can grab it with this. See this? See how this is designed? And you go in like that, and you can tighten. You can tighten or loosen, and it won't mess the threads up. You put a pair of snap-on pliers on there, it's going to mess the threads up. But this will put it in or take it out. Specialty tool. It's called a stud extractor, and won't mess your threads up. And I got this from Napa's too. I think this was $50 or something. Also, I got the Icon. Icons in the house. Woo! Take a gander. The 25-piece spline extractors. Let's take a look at this, huh? Right there, 25-piece. This is very handy. Very, very handy. These are spline extractors, which you can see here. 25-piece, that's a good size set. What you do is use the drill, and you can drill it out first, then go in and for instance, if I broke the head off this bolt, you see this bolt right here? Say the head was broke off, the part that broke right off clean. You could tap it with a punch first, and then drill it, and then stick your spline extractor in there and take it right out. Very handy. Pays $60, $59.99 for this set. Right here, $59.99. So anyways, just a little review on some stuff I got to take out rusty bolts, stubborn bolts. And who hasn't tried a pair of vice grips from Irwin? Everybody and everybody's brothers tried to get a bolt out with a pair of vice grips. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But you know, it's my little extractor video. And if you guys enjoy this video, give me a like. I appreciate it. And I'll talk to you all later. Peace out.